Okay, so I'm on my normal route. This was a bad day. So I come up and the road's blocked because of construction. So then I have to make a left-hand turn, not knowing where this road goes. The video's been sped up just to give you an idea of. I turn up this way because I'm thinking, okay, the construction was at the corner, but no. Now I have to make a right-hand turn. Got these barriers in the way. Trailer almost goes in the ditch. Anyway, so go around the corner, go all the way back down to Gunn. So this is taking place in Winnipeg, by the way. So I go all the way down here. So after making several loops around this area, I finally called the receiver, and she told me where to go. So, like I said, after making several loops around here, she told me to go down to Gunn. So I'm on Gunn right now. The stop sign, that's day. Make a right-hand turn. Now originally I took day all the way up to Springfield Road, but like I said, I've cut this video short so you're not seeing the loop arounds that I've done. So she said, go up to John Shott, make a left-hand turn. So here I am at John Shott, make a left-hand turn. And now I'm going to come in the back way through their back gate. So up at the corner here, I'm going to make a right-hand turn. So this is all a half an hour from the first time you've seen me pull up to that sign. So there's all these cars parked here. Now I need to swing all the way to the right to make a left-hand turn into the gate there. So I just narrowly missed the pickup, the silver pickup that was on the right-hand side. Now I'm just stopped to observe, check out what I need to do to get in. So I'm pulling as tight to the fence as I possibly can. You can see that in the small video there, the trailer just makes it in. So then, up at the tractor here, I have to make a right-hand turn. So I got a stack of pallets, a couple stacks of pallets on my right-hand side. I have the tractor on straight ahead of me. So I go as close to the tractor as I can, as close to this pipe as I can. And now you see this, you can see this rack. And I got to make sure that I'm over enough to the right so that I don't hit that little rack. But I also got to watch my back so I don't take out the stack of pallets. So here comes the receiver to give me some guidance. So I know it looks like in the top left that I have lots of room, but remember there's that rack that's right beside the front of my truck. So I just clear the back, and now I'm trying to make it by the front. So I ran over the base of the pole in the back. So I finally make it through. You can see how close I am to the rack there. And I didn't hit anything. Like, that is probably one of the toughest turns that I've ever had to do. I backed into some pretty tight places too, and anyways, that was my bad day. Or I should say, bad morning.